It's not about who you are, but about whom He is. If your father abandons you, it's not about who you are, but about whom He is. If your father hurts you, it's not about who you are, but about whom He is. This is how I start the chapter. We need to be seen. We need to be accepted. We need to be allowed to be who we are. We need to be supported. And sometimes, for whatever reason, we didn't get that. We didn't receive that deep connection with our fathers. And as adults, we carry that with us. And we carry that into our relationships. We carry that into our work. We carry that into the way that we parent our children. I have spent the last 20 years or so really going deep into healing my own father wound, my own absent father wound. And I'm here today with a deeper understanding of what that means to me and what that means to women, and also what that means to men. If you feel that your life is suffering because of your father wound, I want you to know that you can do something to change that. I want you to know that whatever you feel you didn't receive as a child, you can provide that for yourself in this moment. If you would like to learn how, please contact me, and I would love to see you in Dublin on the 20th of July for the workshop. There is one thing that I've learned. When we don't understand the behaviors of our fathers, we judge that. And sometimes we can even be afraid of that. Somehow we can create like an image of a monster or something like that. So what we don't understand, we judge, and we could be afraid of that, and we might even create a little picture of that. What we judge, we have a tendency to disconnect from that. We have a tendency to separate from that. And the only way to heal the fatherhood is to create a deeper connection, is to create a deeper understanding of what's going on, so that we can truly connect with our essence and the essence of our fathers. Remember that the energy of our fathers is alive inside ourselves. So if this resonates with you and you would like to do some work around your father wound, just contact me. Or if you can't come to the workshop and you like to get the book, you can get that in my website, www.empowered-relationships.com. Hope you're well. Thanks.